Hello and welcome. The purpose of this video is to help you understand better what type of consultations we have here at the Brilin Integrative Functional Medicine Centre. Well, first of all, of the 4 options that you have, all of them include a functional medicine consultation. Now, most people refer to functional medicine as what are the root causes of disease. So what are the mechanisms, what are the driving forces behind your particular condition, and what are the functional things that you can do to help assist those particular conditions? Now, in each option we have a variant of how much time we can spend with you. So option 1, obviously we have a lot more than what we have with option 4. All options also include a bioenergetic feedback. So this is where our system scans your body for energetic imbalances. Now, it's kind of like hooking up to a lie detector. It's asking your body thousands of questions, but it's okay. When I say a lie detector, it's not going to tell me if you've jumped the neighbour's fence and got up to mischief, but what it's going to tell me is lots of information about, for example, what's your hormone profiles there, bacterias, is that cell talking to that cell, are there energetic blockages in your spine? It even looks at the blueprints of your subconscious. So it gives us a lot of information, and then it makes up a corresponding remedy to try to nudge your energetic balances back into the right condition. So for example, it's like you're a ship and the remedies are like a tugboat. It's just trying to gently nudge you every day back to an energetically balanced state. Now, it's important to note that this is not a diagnostic tool because we're not interested in what's happened. So a diagnosis can only apply to what's happened. We're looking at what's happening in your body. What is happening in your body? And from there, the system is looking for the best pathways to try to heal that energetic imbalance. Now, what's unique to option 1 is another type of scan which is very accurate relating to your mineral deficiencies or excesses, your heavy metals, your oxidative stress, and a number of other bits of information. So this type of test is really important. We print it out for you because you're able to make certain adjustments in your life according to where you're at. We also do live blood analysis. Now, live blood analysis, we just prick your finger, we put a little bit of blood on the slide, we put it in the microscope, and you can see on the computer screen your blood magnified up so we can see right up to your red blood cells and we can see what's going on. And again, that too can help us understand a little bit better about what's happening in your body. In some options, we also do a treatment. Now, this is usually a 30-minute treatment. Basically, we're recharging all your cells. It's a biocellular stimulative treatment, and we're lying on a biomat. We have 2 commercial Biooptrons, which are changing the structure of light into energy, which is penetrating deep into you. We have a localized hypothermic treatment as well, which is pummeling 300,000 trillion vibrations per second into you and carrying hypothermic heat. So that's usually a 30-minute treatment. You can also do a pulse electromagnetic field and a multi-wave oscillator treatment. If you can't get to us, you can send a hair sample to us and we can do the same type of scanning. We can still scan for the energetic imbalances. We can make up a remedy, and you can actually, no matter where you are around the world, we can do that. In fact, we've made up a dedicated page about our hair analysis. It's more advanced than the average hair analysis. This again can give us about 400 readings about what's energetically imbalanced in your hair, which relates to your whole body. Now, Brilin, basically how Brilin started was back in 2009. My sister just had a 7th child and she was given a few months to live. And then I found out my parents both had a very short time to live with cancer. So we bought machinery over. We started networking with lots of doctors around the world, and then people were knocking on our door, and we started off in a small lounge and people were coming every day. And then we attracted a lot of volunteers from the medical industry and the science industry and the medical research industry who all jumped on board and volunteered. And in Timaru, where we started, we had to shift 3 times, and now we're duplicated in Christchurch and Timaru, and we now have an international reputation. And the main reason being is we really care about the condition that the people have. We really try to look at what are the driving forces behind that condition, all whilst keeping within the law of not diagnosing, not giving medical advice, and not treating or making any claims regarding any particular medical condition. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to meeting you.